Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel from condensed milk using an incredibly easy method. This technique is perfect for anyone looking for a simple, hands-off approach to creating a rich, creamy treat. You'll only need a few basic items, primarily a can of sweetened condensed milk, a large pot, and some water. Get ready to transform a pantry staple into a versatile and delightful dessert component in just a few steps. The first step is to prepare your water bath. Take an unopened can of sweetened condensed milk and carefully place it into a large, sturdy pot. Now, fill the pot with water, making sure the can is fully submerged. You want at least 1 inch of water covering the top of the can. This water level is crucial, as it prevents the can from overheating and ensures even cooking, so keep an eye on it. Once your can is submerged, bring the water to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Avoid a rapid, rolling boil, as this can cause the can to rattle excessively. For a lovely, light to medium caramel, simmer the can for approximately 2 to 3 hours. If you prefer a darker, richer, and thicker caramel, extend the simmering time to 3 to 4 hours. Remember to replenish the water as needed to keep the can covered. After the desired cooking time, carefully remove the hot can from the pot using tongs. It's absolutely essential to let the can cool down completely to room temperature before attempting to open it. Opening a hot can be dangerous due to pressure buildup. Once cooled, open the can to reveal your beautiful, homemade caramel. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.